Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Nissan Titan headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is properly inflated, as this affects headlight aim. This preparation ensures you get the most accurate adjustment for optimal visibility and safety on the road. Now, let's find those adjustment screws. Open your Nissan Titan's hood to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. Each headlight unit has two main adjustment screws, one for vertical aim and one for horizontal aim. You'll usually find them on the top and side of the headlight housing. They often have a gear-like or Phillips head design, making them easy to turn with your screwdriver. With your truck positioned, it's time to adjust. First, mark a horizontal line on the wall at the exact center height of your headlights. Then, turn on your low beams. Use the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower the beam until the top edge of the brightest part of the light is just below your marked line. Next, use the horizontal screw to center the beam, ensuring it's not pointing too far left or right. After making your adjustments, step back and visually confirm both headlights are aimed correctly and evenly. The beams should be symmetrical and provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Take your Nissan Titan for a short test drive at night to ensure the adjustments are effective in real-world conditions. If you notice any issues, simply repeat the adjustment process until you're satisfied with the beam pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.